How to apply the magnetic lashes from Younique. All right, so I go along my entire lash line using the applicator, tiny little strokes all the way across. That's key for this. Then I go in applying a second layer just for good measure. That's what I like to do. You see what works for you. I allow it to dry 5 to 10 minutes, apply some mascara so that my lashes don't stand out against the black lashes of the magnetic ones. Then I go and apply on the middle first, and then stick it to the outside, then on the inside using my tweezers, reinforce it a little bit, and you're good to go. Now are these anchors, okay? So these are, you can apply as many as you want. I just usually apply one on the outer corner underneath the lash line, okay? Now, how do we take these off? Okay, so just pull them off, put any anchors, put them back in your container so that they are good for the next time you use them. Now, I use this micellar base forming surfactant liquid makeup remover. It's a non-greasy formula, you guys. No residues left behind. It feels absolutely amazing. It's fragrance-free, it's gentle, and plant-derived. It feels incredible. So if you have any left over after that, I like to take my microfiber cloth to get the rest off.